So you're thinking about making a move to one of North Dallas's top suburbs, and you want a gorgeous home, but you don't need the crazy master plan communities with the water slides, the pools, and all the extras that you're gonna have to pay for. You just want a really nice home at an affordable price point and a nice home warranty. Well, that's exactly what we're gonna show you here today. We've got two incredible homes right here behind us. We've got this Indian home we're gonna show you first. We're gonna show you a smaller home right next door, but the prices here are gonna absolutely blow you away. We've got no mud, no pit taxes, and so many incredible incentives, and I can't wait to show you, so make sure you stick around because we're getting after it right now. All right, so here we are in the first home we're gonna be checking out here today. This is a Indian home, or easier, or well known as K-Hov. This is a Tigris 2 floor plan. It is a 5-bed, 3-bath home, just over 2,700 square feet at an incredible price point that we'll get to here in just a minute. But we're right at the front of the house right now, so I want you to see this nice wide entryway that you're gonna have. But right off of the front of the house, you're going to have your first full bedroom. So a really nice sized bedroom. You've got an oversized window over here, really cool setup, and check out these little walk-in closets. So the bedrooms are gonna have really nice size closets for the secondary bedrooms, but this is gonna be right at the front of the house. And then back into the main entryway, I wanna point out this wainscoting as well, which is a really cool feature that they actually do in these homes. So most of the time you see those in model homes, you're gonna have to find a contractor to come do that later because it's not even an option, but they do that for you here at an incredible price point. So right here, right off of that bedroom and the entryway, you're gonna have a full bathroom with a shower right there. So you're probably gonna have options as far as what you put in there, but your first full bathroom is right there. And then we're gonna go off to the right, and this is going to be your entrance from your 2-car garage. So this is gonna basically be your mud bench area, throw your kids' shoes, everything, hang their jackets right off of the entryway, but not in the way. Storage all throughout the house. And then you're gonna have your laundry space right here, which right now is being used as, you know, a printer space. So it's really cool how this is all tucked off into the corner with a lot more room than your typical. But here's gonna be your stairwell, and I do wanna point out once again, storage everywhere in this house. So under the stairs, tons of storage. If you wanted to make a second pantry, whatever you wanna do with that, you definitely can, no problem. But now we're into the main living of the house, which I really, really like. This kitchen does feel more high-end. I love the white oak cabinetry. Usually you only see this kind of stuff in a higher-end Highland home or custom build, but this is starting to get more popular. I love the look of it. If you have kids, when you have painted cabinets, I'm just gonna let you know, especially dark ones, they get messed up all the time. These don't, so really cool. You've got this nice, really cool quartz countertop. A little coffee bar section over there with floating shelves, which I really like, but tons of counter space. This oversized farmhouse sink right here. Just a really nice setup, in a high-end gas stove right here as well. So I love the setup. Here is going to be your pantry space. So small pantry space, but like I said, that one right there can be turned into a pantry as well. So you can have multiple options and you have tons of pantry space. So right off of the kitchen, you're going to have this informal dining space. So we've got about probably an 8-10-foot table right here. So plenty of seating. We've got windows throughout, and there's 5 chairs over on the island as well. So if you need to have a dinner party and you have people over, there's gonna be plenty of space to do so. And then you've got your main living space right here. So this is all in one spot, which is the most popular option, of course. Nowadays with entertaining and whatnot, you definitely want to have a wide open space where everybody can talk with each other, watch the game, and entertain. So a really cool setup right here. So now that we walked through the main portion of the house, let's go ahead and see what's going on in the backyard. All right, now we're in the backyard space. We've got a nice covered patio here with some really cool furniture. And you can't see it right now, but we've got a gas connection feature. So if you have a gas grill, whatever, never have to go to the store to fill it up with propane. You can hook it up right to your house, and it's very cheap and affordable. But these are gonna be on 62-foot lots, so oversized lot. The average right now is probably 50 foot out here in the DFW Metroplex. So an oversized lot in incredible prices. So let's go check out the master bedroom. Now, the back right corner of this particular floor plan, you're gonna have your master bedroom. So we've got two nice sized windows right here looking into your beautiful backyard with your cedar privacy fence. But you're gonna have the wainscoting. They're bringing that in here as well as an option, which I absolutely love. You're not gonna have to hire anybody for it. We've got an oversized king size bed and plenty of space in the front of this bedroom. So definitely a nice sized bedroom and a beautiful bathroom that we're about to check out. So want to point out also they've got these nice kind of modern farmhouse doors and handles, which is a really cool setup. But we've got this double vanity right here. I love the black mirrors, little farmhousey, white, black, light brown tones. That's all the people are loving right now. We've got this really cool tile and an oversized shower right here in the corner. I'm sure if you wanted a tub, that could be an option for you as well in many of the other floor plans or even in this one. So of course, there's your private toilet with a door and your master closet right here. So once again, plenty of space to do whatever you want, bring in more shelving or whatever in this spot. So if you want to put a safe in here, there's plenty of space for it. All right, before we see the rest of this home, if you like what you're seeing and you're thinking about moving here today or a year from now, please don't be shy. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We help people like you every single day, and we got hundreds of calls last year, and we're headed that way this year. So don't be shy, reach out. Let's go check out the upstairs. Okay, tripped. Okay. Now we're entering into the flex space of the second story. I really like the setup. You've got a nice oversized modern window right here, but we've got the foosball, we've got a sitting area. This would be like the TV spot right here. So lots of possibilities. And one of the things I like, this is nice, wide open, and you can look and see all three bedrooms all in one spot. So this is going to be the only downside, but it's usually 3 people, 3 kids, they can share a bathroom. So we've got oversized vanity right here, tub shower combo, but this is gonna be the main bath of the upstairs. You've got 2 other full baths downstairs, storage all over the place, and we'll go into the first bedroom up here. So plenty of space in this bedroom for even 2 kids, which they've got that set up for you right now, just to kind of give you a feel for that. I like the little sliding doors. We don't see that very often anymore, but saves a little space, nice size closet, in a really nice sized bedroom. And then we'll go over to back through the living space into another bedroom. Same size closet, a little bit different setup, smaller bedroom on this side. And then if you're wondering, where do I get to design my home, see all the finishes and things like that? Well, they do that right here in-house, which is huge. So you got your TV set up, they can show you all kinds of things. But they've got the finishes, they've got the booklets and all that. So you don't have to drive to Dallas or an hour plus to South Lake to pick your design selection. You can do that right here, which is huge. Now, hopefully you stuck around for the most important part, which is price, of course. So if you want to get into this exact home right here, 5-bed, 3-bath, just over 2,700 square feet, all in, you're looking about $450,000 as of the making this video. And best of all, they have 25 grand in flex cash right now. So you talk about an incredible deal for a big family. They can move right here in an affordable price point. We can get you in a lower interest rate, all the above. And if you are looking for a little bit smaller home, these are gonna be starting and finished out around the $380,000 mark as of the making of this video. So let's talk a little bit more about this location. We're out here in the brand new community called Rolling Ridge. Rolling Ridge is right off of Highway 75 here in Van Alstyne. So you got quick access to absolutely everything. A-rated school system, super safe. Now, if you're looking to move into this community, you're looking at an HOA of about $700 a year with a tax rate of 2.4. Now, if you're wondering, is that a high tax rate? Well, it's about average for out here. If you're looking down in Houston at those cheaper homes in Houston, those tax rates are in the mid 3s. So much lower taxes up here in the Dallas area with amazing amazing price point. So not a ton going on in this neighborhood, but you're gonna be surrounded by multiple parks, very close to different schools. And of course, you've got downtown Van Alstyne, and then 15 minutes to the beautiful downtown McKinney. So tons to offer at an affordable price point. So let's go ahead and check out this next home. Now we're gonna be checking out a beautiful Cambridge home, and this particular floor plan is gonna be a 4-bed, 2-bath, just over 2,200 square feet, and you're not gonna believe the price. But we're gonna start right here in the front of the home. We're gonna have a bathroom, full bath right here, as well as 2 full bedrooms. So sales, basically these are being used as the sales offices right now. So they've used this or turned this into an office, but you're gonna have a nice size closet space in these bedrooms. So this is considered a bedroom, but you're not gonna have to worry about using it as a bedroom or an office. You can do it however you like. So not set up, to blow you away as far as styling goes. We're gonna say hi really quick to our amazing sales rep right here. So that's who we'll be connecting with, but similar bedrooms right across from each other, right at the front of the home. But I wanna point out, right when you walk into this house, you're gonna have this long, beautiful, wide entryway, which a lot of people are gonna like. So it gives a big separation from the main living area and keeps it nice and quiet in the front and the back of the house. So one of the things that's gonna be way different in this particular home is you're gonna actually have a formal dining space right off of the kitchen space. So of course, you're not always gonna want carpet in here, but this is gonna be used as the design center right now. So that's why they've got this small table right here. This is where you sit down, look at your design selections and pick out your home. You got your brick options, your paint color options right over here. But a formal dining room, you can make it however you like. There's a lot of possibilities for you. So you're gonna notice through these houses, you're gonna have the luxury vinyl plank flooring, looks like wood, scratch proof, waterproof, all the above. And then right here in the wet spaces or laundry space, you're going to have some really cool looking tile for you. But nice size laundry space is gonna go out to your 2-car garage. And then you're gonna have your 3rd bedroom right about the middle of the house. So this is gonna be probably the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but nice and cozy because you've got a nice sized bed, big dresser here and a little window. And once again, about the same size closet space with about 9-foot ceilings in here. So not super tall, but definitely not low. And then we're gonna enter into everybody's favorite spot, the entertaining spot, and that is the all-in-one kitchen eat-in area right over there, living room space, and of course, your kitchen. But we've got these beautiful quartz countertops, nice size island right here. This neighborhood does have gas, which is a huge plus because not all the neighborhoods, especially new construction in this price point, are gonna bring gas out to the neighborhood. And if you like to cook, gas is the way to go. But we've got a microwave above here. If you want to do the cabinets above, you can always do that later. But remember, these are very portable homes. So let's go ahead and get into the price point right now. So these homes right here, tricked out, everything done, you're gonna be around in the mid 300,000. So this home right here, I think is around the 380s mark. So all in, everything the way you want it, 380,000 with right now $15,000 in flex cash to you. Oh, and I gotta point out something that's really big. Let's check this out real quick. Boom. See that interest rate? So everybody's worried about interest rates. Well, you can get a 4.99% interest rate on a quick move-in home. So you're always gonna get a better deal on a quick move-in home, and you can get an amazingly low payment. So rates right now are not good, but 4.99, closing costs, everything in the 300s, absolutely incredible for what you get. So now that you've seen the kitchen space, nice little coffee bar over here, corner little pantry, which is about your typical size pantry right there, not bad. And then your eat-in or informal dining space. So we've got your formal dining over there, as well as your eat-in kitchen. If you didn't want to use the formal dining, it's easy to get you a contractor and go close that place in, no problem. So just keep that in mind if you needed to have all 4 bedrooms and use the office space. And of course, they're gonna have lots of different floor plans to choose from. You're gonna be about 1,800 square feet to about 3,000 square feet. So the one that's almost 3,000 square feet is gonna be in the low 400,000. It's about 412,000 as of the making this video. So you talk about value, absolutely insane. So if you need the square footage, you've got a large family, this is an amazing option for you. So this is where you'd really hang your TV right here, but they got a nice little picture there, but a nice cozy area. Windows throughout, as well as your back patio space. Let's go ahead and check that spot out. But take one more look at how open this whole area is, and then you can see all the way to the front of the house. So this house is very long, but let's go check out outside. All right, now we're here in the backyard space. So I want to talk about lot size. So we are in the 300,000s, and these are just over 60 wide lots. So a lot of the lots you see nowadays are going to be in the 40s and 50s. So we got over 60-foot lots. So you can do a whole lot with this if you want to bring in a pool or anything like that. But we've got a nice little covered patio space. Once again, in the 300s, you're not going to see a covered patio space very often, but you've got that here. And then you can kind of see how big this actual lot is. So a really nice sized lot in the 300,000s, a great value. Now let's go check out the rest of the home. All right, now we're back in this home. You can see once again this nice wide open main living space, which is going to be absolutely amazing for entertainment. We're going to check out the primary bedroom right here on the far right end of the home, but we've got a really nice sized bedroom, king size bed, oversized furniture. Got this nice little chandelier here, but beautiful setup right here that a lot of people are going to enjoy. And then your bathroom. So the master bathroom, people are really gonna like because you got two vanities, of course, but you've actually got a nice oversized soaker tub in the 300. So you're gonna see most of the people in this price point nowadays are just going to give you a shower. That's all you're gonna get. And for most people, that's okay. But I know a lot of you out there like your tubs, so you have to have a bath. Well, that's an option out here. So huge, huge setup there. And then you've got your master closet right here, which is a decent size for sure. You can definitely there's lots of room for shelving and everything like that. Something to note, no matter how expensive of the home that you look at, just about any of them are gonna leave it just like this, so you can basically do what you want with it. I hope you enjoyed today's tours of these two beautiful homes. This location is blowing up. It's going to basically quadruple in population here in about the next 5 to 6 years. So many good things coming, and everything is being built right along Highway 75. So if you think these prices are good now, well, just wait 10 years from now and see how much you can get for these actual homes. So great deals everywhere. And remember, if you're thinking about moving here today or a year from now, please don't be shy. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Love to help you and your family make a smooth move to Dallas. And if you want to see a higher price point here in Van Alstyne, Texas on a massive lot, check out this house right here in Lincoln Point, because you're absolutely gonna love it. Can't wait to help you find your next dream home.